Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. It's time for the 30,000 kilometer or the first paid service. So far, we have not had any major issues with the car. Right now, it's only the alignment that needs to get checked. So let's head to the service center and see if there are any recalls. So there were two recall codes, the alternator pulley replacement and ECU flashing. So we have the car back. Maybe it's just psychological, but the engine feels so much smoother after an engine oil change. Now let's have a look at the cost. So we have the Maximile Ultra, the engine oil. We have the air filter, Maxi Clean, the DEF fluid. We've got two Maximile Elite, the differential oil. Then we have the AC filter, washer, and oil filter. Then we have some consumables and 30,000 kilometers labor charge. We've got some more consumables and washer fluid, and the total amount comes up to 10,110 rupees. If you found the content helpful, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such updates, and I'll see you on the next one.